Very important is crystal of salt. Here we have gypsum and plaster of Paris. Why plaster of Paris is called as name is Paris here? Since it is obtained from the gypsum, so that gypsum was available where? In Montmartre district of the Paris of the France. So if you see that when gypsum is being heated at the temperature of 373 Kelvin, then we'll get the plaster of Paris. Doctors uses for the in case of fracture to give the supports to making the twice for decorating materials for making surface smooth. If you see that here in case of plaster of Paris, we have half molecule of water, whereas the gypsum we have two molecules of the waters. So that is the main difference between plaster of Paris and the gypsum. Here, if you see that when doctor use, so here again it's going to react with water, and finally we have this product that is the gypsum.